Sound of Scripts presents A Scene from Escape the House, written by Maurice Vaughan.
We're outside the house that's alive. Night. It's a small town, big, beautiful house, far from everyone, surrounded by woods. Now we're inside the house, the foyer. A disobedient teen, Julie, opens the front door. She stands on the used carpet. A face appears on it. A caring down south mom, Harriet, stands on the porch.
Sup. Hi there, Julie. I'm Harriet.
The carpet's face frowns.
How do you know my name? Small town. Is your mom home? Mom! Harriet's at the door!
Julie's mom, Andrea, comes downstairs.
Did you look through the peephole before answering? No. Who uses those things?
Andrea shakes her head. She steps in front of Julie, protecting her.
Who are you? Harriet Williams. I live over yonder. You and your daughter need to move out. Now. Buck told us about you, and we saw the flyers. We're not leaving.
The carpet's face smiles.
Hey, if the house is alive, how did it become alive? I don't know, but it's alive. And it's dangerous. It attacked me with a garden hose.
Julie starts to make a swirling, crazy sign with her finger and head. Andrea stops her hand.
Why do people call you the house destroyer? I tried to destroy it. I did a lot of damage. Why didn't you finish? Don't encourage people to commit crimes. The sheriff said he would arrest me if I kept on. I have a kid. I can't go to prison. Thank you for your concern. But this is our new home.
The carpet whispers.
They're mine.
Please leave. I don't want anything to happen to y'all. Good night, Harriet.
Harriet's eyes plead with Andrea. Harriet turns to leave.
Hey, can I paint you? I'll give you a deal. Sure. I would love that. Let me take your picture with my phone. Never mind, it's broke.
Harriet takes out a boy's photo. He's 10, to show Julie.
That's my son, Andy. Can you paint him? I got you. When can you start painting? Right now? No, she can start tomorrow. She still has things to unpack.
Julie rolls her eyes. The carpet's face frowns.
Stop rolling your eyes at me.
Julie rolls her eyes again. The carpet shouts out. Keep rolling your eyes. I'll slap them out. Everyone jumps, startled. Andrea grabs Julie, protecting her. Andrea looks around, not knowing where the voice came from.
Who said that? Who's in my house? It was the house. I told you it's alive. Stop joking. This is serious.
Julie spots the carpet's face.
Mom, look at the carpet.
Andrea sees the carpet's face and screams. Harriet runs into the house. Everyone looks at the face. Andrea's mouth hangs open.
Hi, I'm Hank.
Andrea rushes to the door with Julie. It slams. A face appears on it.
What do you want?
I want you and Julie as my family.
A family like a dad, mom, and daughter?
Yes. My wife Rose and my daughter Victoria died in a car wreck. My Rose, caring and always positive. My Victoria, so well-behaved, so caring. My girls.
The door's face cries. Tears roll down it.
Will you two be my family?
I want a dad around, but not a house dad.
If you become my family, you'll never want for anything. I hid money in here. It was a safety net.
No. Open.
The door locks. Its mood becomes dark extremely fast.
No. You're not leaving. We're going to be a family.
You have been listening to A Scene from Escape the House, written by Maurice Vaughan. Presented by Sound of Scripts. To learn more about Sound of Scripts, please visit soundofscripts.com. Thank you.